Hey YouTube, what's up? Wild Bill's Fishing. Here is August 31st, 2019. And we are excited to make another video with me and a good friend of mine, Buddy Mills. We have had a rough summer, we're not gonna lie. Bull Shoals Lake flooded about the second week of April, 30 feet above power pool most of the summer. Puts the water up in them trees, up in that brush, scatters the fish, makes it hard to find them. But it's finally come down where them fish have been pushed out of that brush because of the warmer water, and we're catching a few. They're about 35 feet. A lot of times we're putting our boat 40, 45 feet, fishing the tops of brush piles in 25 to 30 feet. So without further ado, let's go fishing. He probably hit it on the drop. I didn't even know he was on there. It looks good. There's our fish, first fish of the day, YouTube. He probably hit it somewhere around 20 feet. Hooked real good. Man, he wasn't going nowhere. Right. Fish in the live well. There's another one. Can you believe that? He was fighting pretty good. He was fighting good. Come here, you. There you go, YouTube. Just a couple minutes, we've already got two. Fish on. That's not a crappie. Look at it running. Oh gosh. That's a brownie. Smallmouth.
Big if it is.
Oh my. Golly, look at him run. Woo! Golly, that may be a striper, man. I'll get out of your way here. He's headed for open water. He's headed for open water. He tried to run for open water and you figure he can't do it. Now he's wanting to find the security of a brush pile. I don't think it's a brownie. I'll bet you that's a big old striper or a gar. Oh, you got him. He's wrapped around it. Look at there, YouTube. Big old nasty gar. Golly. That sucker's 3 foot long.
He wasn't jumping off.
No. We gotta get the crappie to come back up. Them old gar.
Them dudes probably.
Well, it didn't take them long, buddy. I've got one on right here. Didn't take him long. There's three, YouTube. Them crappie are biting good. Buddy's taking care of the gar. There's another one. Now he bit and I missed him, and then I just let it right back down there to him. Oh. You're 4 behind.
Yeah, but they all 4 didn't equal that one.
No. Nah. This guy's a little smaller. I better measure this one. Oh, but he still makes it easy. Uh-huh. Right on top of that brush pile. And I've been feeling the top of the brush.
9.5 inches to the 10.
I seen him come up. I watched him on the graph come up. He's a fighter, whatever he is. He's probably a crappie. Nope. Big old yellow perch. Look at that dude.
I got my line. I got a bite.
Golly.
He's the biggest one we've ever caught.
That is the biggest yellow perch I've ever seen.
That's the biggest we've ever caught.
Gosh, look at that. That's bigger than the ones we caught up there in Canada.
Really?
Look at that, YouTube. Big old yellow perch. Yeah, he might be 10. He might be. That's number 6, and we ain't been here 20 minutes now.
I ain't got one yet.
He ain't gonna make it. This guy ain't gonna make it. Ain't gonna make the cut. Oh, he's just about Just about 3/8 of an inch. Too short. Boy, he's a fighter. I don't think it's another perch. I mean, another crappie. It is. Boy, he's fought. He didn't want to come up now. Is he gonna make it 10? We'll find out. He looks just a smidge. He might barely be on there. Oh yeah, he is on the line. That's all we ask for, is be on the line. You can get another yellow perch, you know? Double? Ha ha, double! Oh, we've been working all day for a double. And you got a bigger one. Look at there, YouTube. Got us a double. Oh, awesome. Everything is awesome. Oh yeah, mine touches the line, dude. Oh heck yeah, there's no sense in even measuring that one, right? I told him to measure it, Mr. Game Warden. Right on. Feels like a good one, does it?
Crappie. But they've been putting some.
Big old crappie. Look at that. Awesome. Hold him up. I'll get you on camera here in a minute. That's a good one there now. Real good one. He feels good. Nah, he ain't that big. But he's a crappie. He's a keeper. Oh. Maybe a keeper. Closer I get to him, the smaller he looks. Compared to that one you just caught. Oh yeah, he's 10.5. I know it. They're turning on. You gonna pull another big one out of the hat? Oh yeah.
Bubbles, I can see him coming up as he came up.
Yeah, buddy. Mm-hmm. There's a bite. He feels like a pretty good one. Not sure that it's a crappie. Not sure that it's a crappie at all. But he is. Oh, come here, little guy. They do. Oh, that's a good one there. Tell your buddies, you know why you ain't catching any fish? I didn't see you out there Saturday.
Yeah.
Look at there. Got him. He's another fighter, man. These guys are getting some spunk to them. I mean, some spunk. Good night. Look at that dude. YouTube. Oh, I saved that one. I saved him. Did you see me snatch him right out of the water? Pulled that jig right out of his mouth. Oh, that's a save right there. Hoo, hoo, hoo. All right, that's a lesson right there, YouTube. Always take advantage of that momentarily stunned state that the fish will be in if the hook pops out. A lot of times they just go like, in a stun. And if you're fast enough with a net, that ain't the first time we've saved our bacon by having a net in hand. So, wow, awesome. Got him. I want to not horse this dude. Yeah, he's decent. Oh man, he flopped the other way. Well, I'm gonna let him go. Said I almost let him go. Took him back out over the edge of the boat. Hold on it. Keep resetting the hook. Nice crappie. Beautiful crappie. He'll give up a good fight. Man, they don't want to give up.
I bet he's 4 pounds. You know, that's another thing about these big long rods too. They got enough legs.
Yeah, you don't have to have much drag. Boys, a good looking fish. You sure that ain't a mean mouth? That's what I think Byron went to Beaver today with Ernest, and it's a good one. Yeah, it's a good one. Ernest, Diane, I think. It seemed like, oh, Clayton and Betty, I think. Yeah, over on Beaver. Feel sorry for them. I'd hate to be pleasure boating. Just kidding. Just kidding. Byron, if you watch this video, either catching these beautiful crappie or pleasure boating. I don't know. We'll leave the pleasure boating to them guys. Well, YouTube, wanted to do a day in perspective. We've been fishing 4 or 5 hours today, and we've caught somewhere in the neighborhood of 40 to 50 crappie, with about 20 to 25 of them being keepers, and we've had a lot of fun. Like I say, the fish are deep, somewhere in the neighborhood of 30 foot. Some are as deep as 35 feet, some are as shallow as 20, 25 feet, but the majority of them is right around 30 feet right now. Water temperature was about 81 degrees, 82 degrees. And you know, if you notice on the videos, we just we'll pitch out about 12 feet of line, because that's how long our rods are, and then we'll count from the reel to the eye, you know, and that gives us an idea of how deep we're going. And once we find out where they're biting, we can just recount. A line counter might be really cool. Don't have any. Maybe someday we will. Maybe somebody in YouTube land will send me one. Who knows? But hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoy watching it as much as we enjoy making it. And until next time,